In various countries throughout the world, there are ancient megalithic and monolithic structures of great antiquity that have withstood the passage of time. There are many ancient sculptures which bear the images of ancient priests, kings, queens, and pharaohs, as well as ancient temples carved in stone with intricate precision and exquisite detail. Captivating the imaginations of archaeologists, world travelers, students of history, and many others, these awe inspiring monuments stand as testament to the architectural genius and scientific knowledge that the ancient builders of these structures possessed. In the study of the growth of human civilizations throughout history, we have come to learn that every human civilization rises to the zenith of its development and then subsequently falls in the societal degradation of its decline. As it relates to ancient civilizations and the people who live within the societies of their time, modern day archaeologists have uncovered a treasure trove of artifacts that give us glimpses into what life was like for ancient cultures around the world. From painted pottery bearing the images of people, animals, and plants, to the discovery of various tools and utensils used by the people of these ancient societies, modern day archaeologists have also discovered ancient scrolls, clay tablets, pots, and or vessels of engraved cuneiform and other artifacts that the people of these civilizations used as a form of communication. As it relates to communication in all of its forms, is it possible that we should be looking at these ancient structures and engraved artifacts in a different way? In our current time, and from our modern day perspective of world history, we tend to look at these structures and artifacts of great antiquity from a superficial position, meaning that the majority of us are only seeing and looking at the surface of their creative artistry, that which immediately beholds and captures the eye. But what if these ancient treasures are actually reaching out to us over and across the timeline of history in an attempt to make us look deeper into the mysteries of antiquity, attempting to deliver a message to all of humanity, most especially at this particular time in our current world history? To that end, it is based upon my research and the historical evidence that I have been able to piece together thus far that it would appear that there is something wrong with this world that we refer to as planet Earth. Having said that, I also have every reason to believe that ancient societies were in communication with one another, and that certain groups of peoples within these ancient societies were very adept in the encoding of a timeless message, for it would appear that they are attempting to warn all of humanity about obscure processes that are little known and not very well understood. Further, it appears that these obscure processes may have some form of impact on the future of our collective human existence. In this multi part video presentation entitled Ancient Messages in Stone Decoding the Assyrian Tree of Life, I will demonstrate how the process of interpreting, deciphering, and decoding an ancient petroglyph ultimately reveals an underlying series of hidden messages that have been encoded in stone. In so doing, viewers will come to discover that a body of hidden knowledge related to the Tree of Life was inscribed in stone many thousands of years ago as a timeless message to the future of mankind. With that said, I invite viewers to watch Part 1 through Part 6 of Ancient Messages in Stone Decoding the Assyrian Tree of Life. Well, that's it for this video. Please be sure to like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified when we post new videos. Until next time.